Ingding Trokebra Circuit upon SABF Nikala State Ame Kipaman Paul. Nihang Karbi Baptist Association Arlo Sapapani Area Baptist Fellowship ke Parlo Mililang so Amondeli along Kipadopon ni Pai Grace Krehini Lapen Kregitom Thang Thang Ani an Nitom an Kapadopon Pinipen Nini Kechok SABF Nikala State Ame Bi Nesenpen Chunpon Bomlo. Kicheng Anungwe Pastor Aron Teron SABF President Mission Board Chairman NKBA Pensi Hongjai Ingpuponlo. Piniadap SABF alama Pastor Aron Teron Pen Dithur Ponsi Amondoli Pen Kachetong Dun alama Chesom Dun Si Adil Anon Pen Chamik Enpon May along a TPK Enpon Kate Ang Kangtu Angdong Tudang Jonalo Angding Isi Angding Sopo Along Pensi Enpon May ise Tanbangatut Laki Reverend Kamson Donghan Mission Secretary KABC Reverend Tenson Bay Executive Secretary NKBA Professor Megi Katharpi Difu Government College Lapen Pastor Aron Teron Mission Board Chairman NKBA Lapen SABF President Atumpen Arnam Alam Hanponu Bang Swame along Praise and Worship Sapapani Area Baptist Youth Fellowship Atumpen Lunkan Paklang Ponu COVID-19 Protocol Aron Ateng Pensi Delegates atom lapen visitors atom setami kachetong paong isi May Padupon SABF Arlo Mondoli Grace lapen fellowship Kethom an Chetongpon SABF Nikala Setpen Mondoli to an SABF Apartment Bangku Saphapani Area Baptist Women Fellowship Saphapani Area Baptist Youth Fellowship Ame Kethompen Atumpen Pini Atap Porphai Nerkepen Porphai Krehini Pedopon Laswapon Hood Thotsi Hapu Meka Chetong Ararapan Professor Meki Katharpi Saikular Ajai Meka Thipi Katheang along Christianatum Anghorpu and Ponsik Thanponu Lason Thaktaksi Pinu Vesetame Arnikang Sam Karchome Pemanpon Karchome along Risonim So Atumpen Chipatir Piponsi Winku Andrew Singnar SA DYF President Jisik Mekpen Lun Keparju Lokhijan Baptist Church Lapen Baklangsu DC Atumpen Jumesan Alun Parjuk Tapen Arnam Kithan Thanbang Reverend Kamson Rong Parkensi Thanponu Binapsitame Kijutsi Ane Karjome Dupantubo Bukachan Pen Buddhesor Teron Pen Herald Hansi News 7 Northeast